Hey, it's Sam here from TopmaQ, your go-to source for gear for industry. Today we're taking a detailed look at our GRASSBOSS lawnmower, available here at topmaQ.co.nz. With a solid steel deck, ball-bearing wheels and a hard catcher, you'll have to look far and wide to find an equivalent mower at the same price. The hard catcher provides durability and protection from dust in comparison to older canvas catchers that wear quicker. The ball-bearing wheels offer less rolling resistance and are more durable than bushes. The steel deck's a no-brainer, protecting you from debris like stones and sticks, and ensures a much more durable mower in comparison to some of the plastic deck models that are available elsewhere for a similar price. Considered our base model, this lawnmower has a 140cc 4 horsepower Loncin engine with an 18-inch cutting diameter. GRASSBOSS also have several other models available. Feel free to check them out up here. Remember to regularly clean the underside of your deck and keep your blades sharp. Look after your mower and it'll look after you. Alrighty guys, I hope you've enjoyed today's video on our GRASSBOSS entry-level lawnmower. Make sure you get down and check out our full range of lawnmowers and more, available here in store or online at topmaQ.co.nz. For more reviews, tips and tricks, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I've been Sam from TopmaQ, and we'll see you next time.